आई थिंक काफ़ी मुश्किल रहा है क्योंकि ये एक फ़िक्शनल कैरेक्टर नहीं है। और जब आप किसी को पोर्ट्रे करते हैं जो हमारी हुज़ बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ आर अ पार्ट ऑफ आर रेवोल्यूशन एंड पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री, you don't want to hurt people's sentiments, and you have to be very very careful. The minutest detail, from body language, the way you speak, the way you carry yourself, the incidents in the film, very, so I think there's a lot of research done by all of us. I don't think acting is about how much makeup you wear or the kind of clothes that you wear. Yes, it is important to a certain extent, but even more important in a film like this. I think for me, whether it's a film like Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se or even a Love Aajkal, for example, I mean, the effort that I put into a film is still the same. And, each of my films are very, very important to me. So I don't see, as an actor, I don't see, of course, the kind of film that we're making is completely different, but the process for me as an actor is not very different. आई थिंक एक्चुअली जो दूसरी लड़की है फिल्म में, प्रीति लता और कल्पना जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है, उन दोनों के बीच एक गाना होता है व्हेन इट्स अबाउट नैन तेरे, विच इज़ अ when two young girls are beginning to fall in love and what they feel when they see when they're beginning to fall in love for the first time, तो वो मेरा सबसे फेवरेट गाना है. Honestly, I think मेरे लिए काफ़ी आसान रहा है because Ashu sir has done most of the research for all the characters. The saris, the kind of blouse, the hairstyle, what kind of hair he wants for which scene, the size of the bindi, every minute detail, how many bangles I'll wear on each hand, the ears, everything was decided. And the only thing that, of course, we had to work on was things like body language and how she'll carry herself and how she'll react in certain situations. Is she a very strong woman, and things like that. So the details of the character are things that we've discussed. But apart from that, I think he's done most of the research for all of us.